Alright tubers, this is Ray, the old Geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm not sure if you can hear me on this, my cheapy little microphone here, but I have evolved into Windows 10, and I do not like it. I do not like all the stuff that's automatically done in the background. They forced me to upgrade because of Chrome. Now I was perfectly happy with Windows 7. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another video because I haven't networked the two computers yet. I still have my Windows 7 PC. I bought a little rack to put them on. Okay, because when I open up my Chrome, okay, it shows me an error message saying that, we're gonna dick you and force you into upgrading. Okay. I don't know. Let's do it this way. Now I migrated a lot of my stuff from my Windows 7. Now, of course, your online stuff like my Canva, my Screen-O-Matic, which is the software I use to make these videos, all that stuff is pretty par. But I have an old address book, a free address book online. I can put the link in the description. I've been using it since I've had, Windows for Workgroups. I think it's been around for so long. I was using it in Windows 7. I got Paint Shop Pro. Let's do this first before I get sidetracked. Okay. Google recently announced that it would end technical and security support for Google Chrome browser running in Windows 7. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video on it. I use Malwarebytes. Okay. This is Browser Guard. This works in YouTube also. It stops those. It stops all of those pop-up commercials that they throw at you. It's fantastic. Okay. So, what it is they're going to discontinue it. It's not that it's not going to stop working. Okay, but as you can see here, the technical and security support, which means that they're not going to upgrade you with any more security support. Although, so much for being a loyal customer, because if you go to your settings, right, if you go to your settings in Chrome, okay, that's not even it. I don't know what the hell that is. And they constantly upgrade without even giving us warning or anything. So now if you go into your settings, okay, for updates and all, site settings, and and this is in pretty much every browser. They have this thing where they tell you, if you want to share your crash reports with us, we'll reinvent the wheel. You understand what I'm saying? It's bullshit. It's all bullshit. All from day one. From day one, Microsoft has been using his customers as guinea pigs. Okay, from day one. And this is what they do. And then, they tell us all this other crap about how they're going to, save us from the boogeyman and all. But how do we know this, too? Not to be a conspiracy theory expert, but, how do we know this? Okay. So, again, I don't particularly like well, let's put it this way. Anyone who's been in the game for a long time will tell you that Windows 7 was the most stable Windows that there was. Okay, 8 was kind of a flop for a while. 8 was around for a very short time. Of course, they ain't got no 9. Want to know what happened there? They went right to Windows 10, and now it's like 14. Okay, so already when I go into my settings, or excuse me, let me go here. And what I did was I set mine up to where it doesn't do automatic updates or anything like that. Like the shit went away. Alright, it went away. We're showing updates. Okay. This OneDrive thing, that was trying to commandeer my computer as well. Okay, here's Windows updates. Now, it just... Oh, look at this. Okay, I got this computer literally less than 2 weeks ago, and it's telling me I need a newer version of Windows 10 already. Alright, now, how long is that going to take to download it and install? Let's see what the updates are. Okay. More options. Alright, so where are they? Inside this update. So I'm still using my, like this new computer that I got, it came with a monitor, like a bigger monitor what I'm using. But I'm quite happy with the little monitor that I have. Alright, Windows 11, Windows 10. The latest Windows update focuses on the needs you've expressed to us. Yeah, like they listen to us. Come on. As we all continue to navigate the world of remote work, more security, with confidence. Yeah, okay, I'm not too confident. What I am confident about is you're going to keep trying to upgrade me. I'm never going to have to stop upgrading. That's what I'm confident about. Just like my microphone, I got to hold this pretty much inside my mouth because it don't work on this new PC that I got. I don't know what the frick that's all about. Right? Are you a Windows installer? Insider? Whatever the hell that is. Check the Windows Insider blog to see what's new with the latest. Oh, maybe I'll join that. I'll check that out later. Check if updates are available for your device. Well, that does it automatically. Features and apps availability. Okay, now. Windows 10 2022 update. Windows 10 version 22H2. I'm not even sure which version I have over here because I can't find it anymore. Okay? And, you know, you could Google anything, pretty much. But you used to be able to just go right here and see computer and just right click on it and see where you're at. But you can't. Okay? So, let's try this. It takes me to the internet. Oh, shit. Everything is geared around the internet. It's like working on a phone. Okay, let's see if we can find something. Documents, more. Music, settings. Your network, app features. Alright, so what? It just... Now, it said in the... Let's see if I can do this. It said in my settings, see what's in this update. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the same page. And it doesn't tell me nothing. Okay, what's it telling me? It's not telling me anything. And that's another thing. I don't want to invite to try anything for free. Windows Installer Program. Insider Program. What is this Windows Insider Program? program. I gotta look it up. But what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna look it up on this Windows 10 PC. I'm gonna look it up on my Windows 7 PC because I have more control and it's more clear. There's more clarity there. Okay, because I'm not seeing anything. Windows updates. Look at this. This PC doesn't. Look, I got to upgrade already. 2 weeks after I bought it, this PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirements to run Windows 11. Good, because then they won't bug me to do that. Get the details and see if there are things you can do. Yeah, I don't think so. Most likely I just need more memory, because when I got this, I got the minimum amount of memory. Okay, OS build info. Oh yeah, see what it is in the old days when we had, like, if you hooked up anything, regardless of what it was, a microphone, a modem, you know, we used to have to plug all that in as separate cards on the motherboard, and then you would have to go in and configure it manually. Then they got this thing called plug and play. I think it was Windows 98 and above, where they taught the software how to, you know, Windows came with the software and all the drivers, as many as possible, to install. Like if you're going to install a new modem, a sound card, a microphone, a mouse, a keyboard, you don't have to go crazy install it. Well, the people used to call Rayware Computers, that's me. They used to call me to install that stuff. Okay, so basically, plug and play turned into plug and puke, because after a while, when all the other countries and everybody and their brother invented hardware, the shit just didn't jive. You know, it just didn't jive. Now, I'm very curious about this upgrade for this 22H2. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay, include the results. See, this is taking me out to the web. Alright, that's gonna. What is all this crap? How to check which Windows version you have. Here we go. Okay. Let's get it on. Am I not? Okay. Come with me on this journey, my friend. I guess there's no Windows 7. Is that thing playing? Is this thing on? Oh, we got no sound. I got shit with my sound. Did I leave up something unplugged? Oh, that's another thing. I got a switch box. Oh, my sound is plugged in. What happened to my sound? So much for being a computer guy. So, anyway, this is Ray, the old DOS geek, Rayware Computers since 1996, something, 1896, seems like it. I am gonna ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification button, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you kids.